Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and HTC Desire 22 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app and press the cast button located at the top of the screen. Select your TV, confirm, and it's done. Now you can play anything you like on your smartphone and it will be displayed on TV. If you want to disconnect, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.